Is it advanced Amazon PPC course worth it for someone managing campaigns? I don't know. I would ask you, what are your goals? Why would you want to invest in an Amazon PPC course? And define advanced. Because most of the time what I am hearing whenever someone says advanced, they might have these tips and tricks in how to do stuff. But what I saw so far in any courses or in anyone that I talked to that was learning from a course, 5 years ago, 6 years ago, when I started learning Amazon ads, I considered the course advanced. Right now, I would consider that course not advanced at all. It's just very basic, very minimal, very beginner fundamentals. So I would define what advanced means for you. Because keep in mind, if you're a beginner, anything seems advanced. If you already know your way around ads and you're at intermediate level, advanced might help you in becoming better at your skills. Now, really important, if you are managing your ads, your own ads, it's going to really come down to, does it worth your time to be invested in learning a skill that someone else could relatively cheaply do it for you? Would you really want to invest time in this one and maybe later on create your own business from it? So I think that is the way how I would look into defining advanced, and then what is the strategy when it comes down to why do you want to do this? The reasoning for that is, most sellers that or most brands that I'm talking to, and they're running their own ads, and they're like, hey, Noemi, I'm just running my own ads. I've been running them for the past 5 years, and this is where I'm at with my business, and right now I'm not growing, and so on. I was like, I understand it. I get it how you're not growing. It's because I know on my end how much time do I have to invest in improving my skills, in connecting the dots, in going through lots of accounts to understand, okay, what works, what doesn't, and really important, how can I duplicate success? And you're literally competing against me, who's doing this 24/7, and against the people that I'm training, and against the people who are doing the same thing. So it really comes down to, where do you invest best your time? And if you have the option to double down on something that you're already good at, that it's proven. We're just talking a while back with someone, we're managing their KDP accounts, and they were like self-managed their ads for a while and then transitioned into retaking over their brand. And the moral of the story was like, hey, yes, I'm doing the ads, I'm spending maybe 2-3 hours per week in it, but I was thinking to learn even more. But then I'm realizing, hey, if I would just write one more book, that is a skill that I already know how to do it. I'm confident in. And if this does not apply for you, maybe you're selling a product, a private label product, developing a product. If you're really good at that, and if you're taking away time from it, that's something that actually only you could do. But Amazon ads, for example, is something that you could delegate to someone else. Then I would go back and look into what is the most important asset right now for you that you should be investing in. Because right now I believe that is the most important question for you to ask.